Now, then how does chemical coordination occurs in plants? The plants do not have any nervous system. Therefore, all the activities of life are controlled by chemicals only. Plants can respond to light, gravity, water, chemicals, touch and seasonal changes etc. सेशनल चेंजेस में लीफ आ रही है, डिफोलेशन आपका आ गया, स्प्रिंग सीजन आ रहा है, फ्लावर आ गया, फ्रूट्स में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, राइपनिंग आपका हो रहा है. ऑल दीज रिस्पॉन्स आर कॉज्ड बाय प्लांट हार्मोन्स और फोटोक्रोमोन्स. यही होगा, ये फोटो हार्मोन्स हो सकता है. सो नाउ दीज सब्सटेंसेज आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन पर्टिकुलर टिश्यू ऑफ प्लांट्स and then taken to their site of action by diffusion. Various stages of growth and development are controlled and coordinated by these chemicals only. So some important growth hormones are auxin, यही है, और ये आपका नाम इसमें भी. Now then the next question is, name the hormones which is secreted when growing plants detect light. Mention in site of secretion in a plant. Site. Explain why do plant appears to bend towards light. The auxin hormone is secreted in the growth plant which detects light. It is present in the tip of the growing stem. Now then सेकेंड वाला जो है, प्लांट एपियर्स टू बेंड टुवर्ड्स लाइट. सूरज की तरफ को आप अक्सर देखेंगे पेड़ ज़्यादा झुके मीन्स स्टेम ज़्यादा उधर को होंगी या लीव्स उधर को ज़्यादा होंगी. एज मोर ऑक्सीन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन द शेडेड साइड देन ऑन द लाइटेस्ट साइड ऑफ द स्टेम. सो स्टेम ग्रोज फास्टर ऑन द शेडेड साइड देन ऑन द लाइटेस्ट साइड. नाउ देन next question is, how the movement of leaves of a sensitive plant is different from movement of shoot towards light. Now, the movement of plants shoot towards light is called phototropism. It is a directional movement in which there is growth movement of a plant part. Plant part का मतलब आपका क्या होगा, shoot. is responsible to the external stimulus. तो external stimulus क्या हो गया, light. The plant stem responds to light and bends towards it due to the action of auxin hormone. The movement of the leaves of the sensitive plant is called the nastic movement. नास्तिक नहीं है, this is the, it is called thick monastic. It is a non-directional movement of plant part जो leaves होती हैं, is responsible या in response to touch or vibration. The folding up of leaves of a sensitive plant like mimosa, पढ़ा है आपका, on touching is due to the sudden loss of water from pad like swelling present at the base of all leaves. ये तो थे आपके नाम शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप. अब इसमें लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप में कभी कभी आता है, कितने मार्क्स का आता है, 5 मार्क्स का. मुझे लगता है कि लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप में ये इतना बड़ा है नहीं क्वेश्चन जितना मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है. तो ये लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन में डिफाइन geotropism. Draw a label diagram of a plant showing geotropic movement of its part. तो पहले आप लिखेंगे geotropism refer to the upward and downward growth of shoot and root respectively in response to the pull of earth or gravity. If the plant part moves in the direction of gravity, it is called the positive geotropism. Likewise, if the plant parts moves against the direction of the gravity, it is termed as negative geotropism. Shoots are usually negatively geotropic and roots are usually positive geotropic. A well-labeled diagram of plants showing now geotropism is here.